Hey everyone, Gil at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about toilet paper. But first, just want to remind you that the 1,000 subscriber giveaway contest is still going on, and you still have a chance to enter it. And hey, if you do it right, you could still win first place. All right, so let's get to toilet paper here. And everyone's going, oh, we know all about toilet paper. Really? I know everyone knew about it in 2020 when there was the red dragon and everybody freaked out and, oh, I got to be stay at home, so I got to get 400 cases of toilet paper. And, yeah. Anyways, how many people have kept up a stockpile of toilet paper? Or you're just like, oh, this turned out to be nothing. And you just keep on using the old stuff. You're not buying, you're not replacing it. You're not rotating stock in. And are you down to maybe just a couple of packages of toilet paper? Yeah, that could be a problem. So what I want to talk to you about is you need to rotate non-food items just like you do food items. Toilet paper. So you get one of the big bundles from Costco or Sam's Club or whatever. As soon as that one's gone, put it on the shopping list. Buy a replacement. But I got 4. Good. What happens if the balloon goes up or the poop hits the fan? No pun intended. Or it turns into Tawaki, the end of the world as we know it, which takes 20 to 30 years to recover from. And nobody's making toilet paper. You can't buy toilet paper to save your life. What are you going to do? You're going to have to start figuring that one out. Let's see. What can I use? Corn on the cob, old corn cobs, pine cones, a wad of leaves to try to wipe with. Wait a minute. This is poison oak. Oh crud! I just wiped the poison oak. And what if it's something from, like, say, it's not the big one. Say it's just a life altering event. If you're wondering about these topics, I did a video series on them, both here and on Camp Patton Family Compound. What the actual, an emergency life altering event. SHTF and Tawaki. They're different things. They don't mean the same thing, and that's all explained over there. But say it's just like a life-altering event, like a major earthquake in your region, and there's no water. I mean, it totally destroyed the water infrastructure. You're not going to get any water for, other than just some drinking water being brought in for at least 6 months. What are you going to do then? I guess we'll dig a trench line. Yeah, you still need toilet paper out there in that trench line, don't you? So that's something to consider about having toilet paper, having a stockpile to get you through to the point where if everything goes downhill and there's no more being made, you have time to figure out what you're going to do, and you can experiment, and you still have toilet paper to fall back on if your experiment fails, as far as what you're going to use to wipe with. All right? So remember, stockpile your toilet paper. And worst comes to worst, if you have a big stockpile and somebody's willing to pay an insane amount for a package of toilet paper, hey, you can be able to barter something. All right? So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicines, clothing, other essential needs, such as toilet paper. Why? Well, this is why.